We're adding text-to-speech capabilities to Bard in over 40 languages, including Hindi, Spanish, and US English.
I would just start with English.
Listen to responses and see what it helps you imagine and create.
Hearing something aloud is great.
Sometimes hearing something loud helps you bring an idea to life in new ways beyond reading it.
But how does it actually work?
You can adjust the speaking rate in the settings.
But how does it actually work?
There is no way to make Bard read faster at the moment.
Yeah, but I'm not sure if it actually understood what I meant.
You can adjust the speaking rate in the settings.
I meant the text-to-speech function.
They apologize for the confusion.
This is not cool.
I am still under development.
You can adjust the speaking rate in the settings.
So you can adjust in the settings.
Use a faster speaking rate.
Yeah, what did they call it? Bard experiment? Yeah, it does look like an experiment. I couldn't find it in the settings.
You are right. There is no way to adjust the speaking rate or the voice in Bard's text-to-speech function at the moment. The only way to make Bard's text-to-speech function faster is to use a shorter text input. They apologize for the confusion. I am still under development, and I am always learning new things.